Welcome to 10-Minute Health Tech, the AI-powered podcast where we dive into healthcare technologies and companies so you don't have to. I'm Anthony.
And I'm Julia.
Today, we're going deep on Pear Suite.
Pear Suite, yeah. It's a platform designed to support community health workers.
Yeah, and right off the bat, what struck me is how Pear Suite is like a Swiss Army knife for community health work.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just software.
Right?
It's a whole system
It is.
designed to make their jobs easier and more impactful.
What's interesting is how they've really thought through the entire workflow of a community health worker.
Yeah.
Like, imagine you're working with a patient who needs help navigating a complex healthcare system.
Right.
With Pear Suite, you can create a customized care plan, track their progress, and even connect them directly to resources, all within one platform.
And that's not all.
Right?
They even handle billing and data analysis, which are often huge headaches for community health organizations.
It's about removing those administrative burdens so these workers can focus on what they do best. Right.
Reporting their communities.
Pear Suite works with a variety of organizations, right?
Yes.
Small community groups to larger healthcare plans.
Exactly. So for a small community-based organization, Pear Suite might be the backbone of their entire operation,
Wow.
helping them manage everything from client intake to reporting outcomes.
Yeah.
But for a large healthcare plan, it could be a powerful tool for connecting with community health workers and integrating them into their value-based care initiatives.
I was particularly interested in how Pear Suite helps organizations track data and demonstrate the value of community health work.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of talk about social determinants of health.
Yeah.
But this platform actually provides a way to measure the impact of addressing those factors.
That's a critical point.
Yeah.
By collecting and analyzing data on things like patient engagement, healthcare utilization, and even social support networks,
Wow.
Pear Suite can help organizations understand the true value of community health work and make a stronger case for investment in this area. So let's get specific. How does Pear Suite actually work in practice?
Okay.
What are some of the core features that community health workers are using every day?
Well, they've broken it down into 4 key areas:
Okay.
workflows, communication, data, and billing. Let's start with workflows. Pear Suite offers customizable assessments and care pathways. So if you're a community health worker specializing in maternal health, for example, you could have a specific set of assessments and care plans tailored to pregnant women and new mothers.
That level of customization is key,
Yes.
especially when you consider the diversity of communities and needs that community health workers are serving.
Absolutely. And then there's the communication piece.
Right.
Pear Suite integrates various communication channels, from phone calls to text messages to emails, so you can connect with clients in the way that works best for them. This is especially important when working with populations that might have limited access to technology or prefer more traditional forms of communication. And then there's the data piece, which you were touching on earlier. Pear Suite allows for both client-level and population-level data analysis.
Yeah.
This means you can see how individual patients are progressing,
Right.
but you can also identify trends and patterns within a community.
I can see how that would be incredibly valuable for organizations trying to understand the needs of their communities
Yeah,
and tailor their programs accordingly.
exactly. And it feeds directly into that idea of value-based care.
Right.
If you can show that your community health work is leading to tangible improvements in health outcomes,
Yeah.
you're in a much stronger position to secure funding
For sure.
and expand your reach.
And of course, there's the billing aspect.
Yes.
Pear Suite streamlines billing and claims management,
Mm-hmm.
which is a huge pain point.
It is.
For many community health organizations, it's like they've thought of everything.
They've really tried to create a comprehensive solution.
Yeah.
And what's impressive is that they haven't just built a technology platform,
Right.
they've also fostered a sense of community. They offer training, resources, and networking opportunities for community health workers.
It sounds like they're going beyond just providing software.
They are?
They're actually investing in the success of the community health workforce.
That's what struck me.
Yeah.
They seem to genuinely understand the challenges and opportunities in this field,
Uh-huh.
and they're committed to supporting the people who are on the front lines making a difference.
One of the things that stood out to me was their impressive 99% customer retention rate.
Right.
What do you think contributes to that kind of loyalty?
I think it's a combination of factors.
Okay.
The platform itself is user-friendly and comprehensive.
Makes sense.
They offer excellent customer support.
Yeah.
And perhaps most importantly, they've built a reputation as a trusted partner who's truly invested in the success of their clients.
We've talked a lot about the features and benefits of Pear Suite,
We have.
but what about its impact?
Yeah.
Can you give us a sense of how this platform is actually making a difference in communities?
Absolutely. We've seen examples of organizations using Pear Suite to improve maternal health outcomes,
Wow.
reduce hospital readmissions,
That's great.
connect people with vital social services,
Yeah.
and even address food insecurity.
So they're really tackling a lot of different issues
They are.
by empowering community health workers with the right tools and resources.
Exactly.
Pear Suite is helping to create healthier and more resilient communities.
That's the goal.
And what about the impact on the community health workforce itself?
Mm-hmm.
How is this platform changing the way these individuals work and view their roles?
That's an important question.
Yeah.
By providing access to data,
Okay.
technology, and professional development opportunities,
Huh.
Pear Suite is helping to professionalize the field of community health work.
I see.
It's giving these individuals the tools and recognition they deserve.
It's inspiring to see how technology can be used to empower individuals and strengthen communities.
It certainly is, and I think Pear Suite is a great example of how innovation and a commitment to social good can go hand in hand.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
Is there anything else you'd like to add before we wrap up?
I would just encourage anyone working in community health,
Okay.
whether you're a community health worker yourself, part of an organization, or a healthcare professional,
Wow.
to take a closer look at Pear Suite.
It's a platform that's truly making a difference.
Yeah.
It's been fascinating exploring how Pear Suite is changing the game for community health workers.
And before we go, I wanted to leave our listeners with a question to consider.
All right, hit me with it.
We've seen how this platform can improve efficiency and outcomes,
Uh-huh.
but what about the broader implications?
Okay.
How might a platform like Pear Suite influence the future of healthcare delivery as a whole?
That's a great question. If community health workers are increasingly equipped with data and technology,
Right.
could they play an even bigger role in preventative care and chronic disease management?
Exactly. And if they're able to effectively address social determinants of health,
Right.
could that lead to a shift away from expensive hospital-based care and toward a more holistic, community-centered approach to health?
It's an intriguing possibility. And with the growing emphasis on value-based care, it makes sense to invest in strategies that keep people healthy and out of the hospital.
Definitely, Pear Suite is just one example of how technology is blurring the lines between traditional healthcare settings and community-based care.
It's exciting to think about the potential for innovation and collaboration in this space.
It really is. We've only scratched the surface today.
For sure.
But hopefully this deep dive has given you a better understanding of how Pear Suite is empowering community health workers and transforming healthcare delivery.
Thanks for spending 10 minutes with us, and be sure to look for more 10-minute health tech podcasts.
Bye.
Bye.